Hello everyone, this is Shamya, and just creating this video to give you a more basic overview of what Eurasia Creations is doing. You can see there are some legal documents of the company which are here, so I'm just showing it to you right now. This is the acknowledgement of the stamp duty for memorandum of association, and you can see the PAN card number of the company is given here. This is the permanent account number of the company. Here you can see in this Ministry of Corporate Affairs, you will be able to see the registration date of the company in India. You can see over here. This is the registration number of the company. This is the address of the company in Gurgaon. This is the allotment of tax deduction account number as per the Income Tax Act, which is given here. Let me see the registration date of the company. I just saw it somewhere, so let me just check it out here. Okay, I think it's here. Yeah, you can see the registration status here. This company is registered. The registration date is mentioned here in this Ministry of Corporate Affairs site. That is 21/6/2011. That is the 21st of June 2011. This company has been registered. Now let's get back to the website eurasiacreations.com. Company has just launched some products of its own, and you can see the product range is just given here. It includes all electronic products ranging from mobile phones, LEDs, EC tabs, fridge, washing machine, ACs. Many more are yet to come, and if you want further detail, you can simply click on the product to get further details of the different products. And here there's an option also where you can buy the products with 50% of your balance you can purchase by using your e-wallet, and the remaining 50% you can purchase by cash. So that option is also there. These are different product codes for different home products, and soon you will be getting many more details about these products. If I just click on television, audio, video, then I can see some LEDs and LCDs which are here with different code numbers. You can see this. Further details will be coming soon. So like I said, the option of buying these products is there with 50% as e-wallet. You can use your e-wallet balance to pay 50% of the amount, and the remaining 50% you can pay by cash. Basically, they are dealing with the electronic products right now. So this is the basic overview of it, and they have had a program recently in Delhi where they have launched their products, and there'll be a lot more details coming out soon. And the plan is also going to change. The cost is going to increase. The joining cost, which is 6,500 right now, is going to increase to I think around 11,000, in which you will be getting a product as well. So the plan is going to change soon. So for all people who want to join with the lower joining cost, they can go for it now, because later on the joining cost will increase, and you will also be getting a product which is an Android mobile phone you'll be getting along with your subscription. So I think it is scheduled to change from December the 1st as of now. So I'll be updating you information on that. So that's it for now. Thanks.